Taking a look at today's energy markets, let's check in on WTI crude futures as they're experiencing some higher prices today. Crude futures trading higher for a second session now, and today we're looking at the futures market up slightly on the day, right around the 67.40 level. However, we did see an intraday high of 68.10, and this is the May contract, which is now becoming the more actively traded contract. And with that, that's a 2-week high for crude futures. Now, holding on to these levels around this 67.35, 67.40 level is near also the highest close over the last couple of weeks when you look at the futures contract. So we're basically trading near the 2-week upper limit of the range here. And driving factors today, a couple things influencing the market here. Number one, concerns about transportation shipping for crude from a global perspective is having an impact, I think, on prices, at least short term. As it does appear there are some inventory draws. It was indicated that China is drawing from their inventory. It was a bit of a surprise, I think. It was announced over the weekend. And so it does appear that supply, at least from a short-term perspective, could be a little challenged here over the next few weeks, if not longer, based on some of the restrictions as far as shipping, as well as inventories being used to counteract maybe some of the tightness in the supply right now. And I think that's really one of the primary drivers that's holding prices here near these 2-week levels. And when you look at energy as a whole today, we're seeing prices higher for the crude space as well as RBOB, slightly higher, coming off those recent lows, which are multi-month lows. But natural gas under a little bit of pressure today. So natural gas has been the outlier really the last several months and has come off those recent highs, still realizing a little bit of downward price action. So down on the session where we're seeing crude and crude futures markets holding on to a gain here. So a little bit of dispersion once again today. But WTI holding these levels here off that $65 level from a couple weeks ago and holding right around 67.5 here today, which is near the top end of the last 2-week range.